You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, so let's try it again. The last two videos have been horrendous, but you know what? They were delicious, and that makes it a win. This video could be horrendous too, because this is a pizza we're reviewing today, and the pizza cooks in 1 minute. If I overcook it, it's gonna be horrendous. Trust me, this could be a very exciting video. So anyway, this company, what is it called? It's either VEVOR or VEVOR. I think it's VEVOR. So I'll put the logo up on the screen. That's the name of the company. This is only a $200 pizza oven. You can't find that. I can. I mean, building one in the backyard would cost a couple thousand. This goes up to 700 degrees, hooks right up to your propane tank. So I'm kind of excited to do this video. And I read online that a 12-inch pizza cooks in 60 seconds. So this will probably take maybe 2 minutes. But let's give it a try. They've given me all the parts in here. At least they claim to. So we're going to open this up, lay out all the parts, and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so first, this is the oven. Came just like this. You just fold the legs out and go. Okay? Let's show you the other things. Came with the cover. Got that. I got one of these already, so we'll give this one to the kids. This is your pizza cutter. Cool, huh? This is very sharp, by the way. Be careful, that's why it's got a cover. Not sure where I'd use the tongs unless topping came off and I gotta reach in to grab something. But look how long these tongs are. Okay, so this literally, there's no assembly. It's already ready to go. You screw it right onto your propane tank. If it doesn't light the way it's supposed to, this is to hold a match that is lit, stick it in the oven safely, and light it that way. So I guess there's two ways to light it. Now look at this. I don't know, can you see this? Okay, it's got a cutting wheel on the side, and it's got a pizza slice to lift. So it's razor sharp, but I've never seen one like this. This is kind of cool. So you can cut your pizza this way, serve it this way. What is this? What's it called? Pizza peel, right. That's to put your pizza in and pull it out. Don't leave that in the oven. This is to put it in and pull it out. Leave the pizza only. Okay, and you know what this is? It's a pizza stove. This gets really hot, and this is what you put your pizza on, inside the oven. Don't take this in and out. Use the pizza peel to scrape it off this and slide your pizza out. By the way, guys, outside. Once again, outside. Do not light this in the house. Okay guys, let's get a closer look at this. We got the stone in. It fits nice and snug. There it is. You're gonna slide the pizza on top of that. That's gonna get hot, so that'll cook the bottom. Let's take a peek in there. A lot of stuff in there. Okay, we're gonna light it up in a minute. Got our propane tank over there. Oh, by the way, some of you have been asking for shots. This is our backyard. Absolutely beautiful. It's the first time I've ever been on the patio with this video because of my illness, but I'm getting way better now. I'm getting way excited. Life's good. It's literally been 2 minutes and I'm already seeing the little ripples of heat coming out. Okay, time to go get the pizzas. You're not getting that pizza. You're looking at it, aren't you? Stay off that pizza. Okay, so one of the things we're finding is you got to put flour on the pizza peel, put flour on the everything, so it'll easily slide in, and we didn't do that. So we're trying to apply flour now. All right, guys, it's cooking pretty good. This thing's working so good. It's like it's cooking it like within seconds. That's why we got to be careful. We're burning the edges and we can't do that. It's just going to take some practice, guys. I never said I was perfect. I never said I worked in the pizza parlor. That looks beautiful. Tammy hit it perfect. Okay, this is our first pizza. This was our test pizza. We realized it's hotter than we thought, so it burnt the edges a little bit. And then we got it down. Look, looks just like a wood-fired pizza. Beautiful. We got another one right here. Beautiful. Another one right here. That one's the best. I just want to thank really quick the people of VEVOR or VEVOR. Sorry, I didn't ask how to pronounce it. But VEVOR, sent me this oven. Check out their store online. Once again, link down below.